Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess and today we are celebrating our 2-year anniversary. I wanted to say thank you to our team and to our subscribers who have made this channel possible. I also have a very exciting announcement. In 2023 we will be releasing exclusive courses. We will be starting out with classes in English, Spanish and Hindi, and will expand into more languages throughout 2023. Continuing our goal of making it as easy as possible to access programming resources in your own language. Do not worry though, we will still be posting here on YouTube. We will be sticking to the format of short and snappy tutorials here on YouTube, whilst our more in-depth tutorials will be over on Skillshare. The link to our Skillshare profile is in the description below. Please give us a follow so you'll be notified straight away when our courses drop. I hope you all have a wonderful festive season and keep the code coming. Guess who's back? Back again. Tessie's back. Tell a friend. Y'all remember that song, right? A sailor went to sea.